Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to talk about welding related equipment. So, this is a standard welding bay used for fabrication work. Without wasting our time, let's go to the topic about the equipment. Yeah! Woo! So, we can see here that the person is wearing apron, welding glove, also wire brush, chipping tools, and last but not least is welding shield. So the type of welding machine is small. So at this welding machine we have earth cable and holder cable. We also have a plug cable for welding machine and hood for sucks those welding fuels. And lastly, we have electrodes and welding tables. So thank you for today.